Hey everyone, and today we are going to solve this math question. But first, try to solve by your own. You have only 10 seconds. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. So we have 5 squared plus 10 divided by 5, and this is 3 minus 1. So here we will solve with PEMDAS. And according to PEMDAS, first preference will be given to this parenthesis part, which is 3 minus 1 will give result 2 here. So we can write 5 square plus 10 divided by 5 times 2. And next, let's write from this here. Parenthesis done. Next, we have this exponent part, which is 5 square. And 5 square can be written as 5 times 5, which equals to 25. So here, 25 plus 10 divided by 5 times 2. So this is our next question. Next part of this equation. Now we will do multiplication division have the same priority, so we will do left to right here. So first we will solve for this part, which is 10 divided by 5. We will get result here 2, and 2 times 2. Let's move to the next part, 2 times 2, and we will solve for this multiplication, because multiplication next 2 times 2 will give result 4 here. So we can simply write 25 plus 4, and 25 plus 4 will give result 29, which is the right answer. And moving to the next question, we have 18 divided by 3 parenthesis 2 parenthesis close plus 4 square minus 20. So first preference always parenthesis. This is also not exactly an operation, but placing, you can say. We can write like this. Next we will solve for this part, which is 4 square, which equals to 16. So we will simply write 18 divided by 3 times 2 plus 16 minus 20. Now we will do here left to right. Why? Because multiplication, division, same priority. In that case, left to right operations. So first we will go for this division. 18 divided by 3 will give result 6 here. 6 times 2 plus 16 minus 20. 6 times 2 will give result 12 here, plus 16 minus 20. Now we will do left to right here. 12 plus 16 will give result 28 minus 20, and 28 minus 20 will give result here, sorry, 8, which is the right answer. And watch these more videos and subscribe us for these videos, entertaining videos, and don't miss to subscribe us. Thanks for watching.